What's up everyone, I'm Jace. I'm a former fitness competitor, personal trainer for over 20 years, and a gym rat for almost 30 years. With the pandemic and lockdowns, gyms are closed, so a lot of people are investing their money in home gyms, me included. As you can see, I'm here in my garage gym. One of the staples in your home gym is going to be a pair of dumbbells. And what I'd like to do is compare and review two of the most popular adjustable dumbbells. The first one is the PowerBlock EXP Pros with both stage 2 and 3 expansion kits, which means that the dumbbells go from 5 pounds all the way up to 90 pounds. The other adjustable dumbbell would be the Nuobell 580s, which means it goes from 5 pounds all the way to 80 pounds. So what are adjustable dumbbells? Well, adjustable dumbbells are dumbbells that can adjust in 5-pound increments from 5 pounds, and in this case, up to 80 pounds or even 90 pounds. So one of the biggest advantages of adjustable dumbbells is a much smaller footprint. As you can see here, here's a set of my wife's dumbbells, 3 pounds to 15 pounds, which is only 5 pairs. And look at how much room it takes up relative to one pair of adjustable dumbbells. So with the PowerBlocks and the Nuobells, the footprint is very similar. The length is 17 inches, the width is 7.5 inches, and the height on the Nuobells is 7.5 inches, and the PowerBlocks are slightly shorter, about 7.4 inches. So another advantage of adjustable dumbbells is the price. If I purchased every fixed dumbbell from 5 pounds all the way up to 80 pounds in 5-pound increments, that would be a total of 1,360 pounds. The going rate of fixed dumbbells these days are $2 a pound, which means that if you got the complete set, you're looking at spending about $2,720. The PowerBlocks and the Nuobells are about only 30% of that price. So more specifically, the PowerBlock EXP Pros that we're looking at, which have the rubber coating, if you get both stage and 3 expansion kits, which means that the PowerBlocks go from 5 pounds all the way up to 90 pounds, you're looking at a total cost of $817, which is $4.54 per pound. And if you look at the Nuobells, the price for the Nuobells going from 5 pounds to 80 pounds is $745, which means that's an average of $4.66 per pound. There are downsides to adjustable dumbbells. Namely, I can see two. The first one is durability. The second is the ease of use. So with durability, there comes a couple things. One is moving parts, and the more moving parts something has, the more likely it is to break. The PowerBlocks use a simple magnetic pin system where you pull out a pin and slide it into the corresponding slot to attach the weights to the handle. Everything is really high quality steel, so I can't see these dumbbells breaking even if you drop them or bang them around quite a bit. The Nuobells have some sort of internal mechanism where you twist the handle and something inside attaches to the corresponding disc on either side of the handle to make the dumbbells heavier. I can see the inner workings of these dumbbells are made out of plastic, which raises some concern for durability. You know, if you tend to drop or bang your weights around, these might not be the best dumbbells for you. Now the other downside is ease of use. Now with fixed dumbbells, you pretty much just need to pick it up and then you can use it. So with the PowerBlocks, it's easy to change the weight in 10-pound increments. You simply just change the pin position. But if you want to change in a 5-pound increment, you have to remove the handle and take out these two cylinders. Then you put the handle back in and put the pin back into the corresponding slot. As you can see, this takes a little bit more time. So with the Nuobells, it's actually really simple. You pretty much just grab the handle, you twist, and you'll see on the little display there, it'll tell you how much weight is there. Once you see the weight that you want, you pull it out, and there you go. There are two other differences between these weights. One is obviously the shape. The PowerBlocks are more of a block, hence PowerBlock, and the Nuobells are more of a traditional shape. Also with the handle, the Nuobells have a nice knurled handle, so it actually feels really nice in the hand, and I find it really nice to lift. With the PowerBlocks, they have more of a rubberized handle. And this to me doesn't feel as nice, but I do actually really prefer the knurled handle. So in summary, I think both these adjustable dumbbells are great. I actually give the leg up to the Nuobells. I really like how it has a knurled handle. I really like the traditional shape, and I really like how easy it is to adjust the weight. I tend to be someone who likes to drop set and change the weights often, so just the fact that I can just twist my wrist and change the weight makes it super simple. I'm not that concerned with the durability of the Nuobells because I don't really bang or drop my weights. I'm pretty careful with them, so in that case, it's really a non-issue for me. So let me know what dumbbells you have. Maybe you have a pair of the PowerBlocks, or maybe you have a pair of the Nuobells. Maybe there's something that I haven't covered that you'd like to let me know. You can always drop it in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed my insight to these dumbbells, and I'm Jace. I'll see you in the next one.